Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Mr. Khan English Channel. My name is Suleman, and I'm really glad you're here with me today. If you are listening right now, it means something important. It means you want to improve yourself. It means you care about your learning and your future, and that already makes you special. Today, we are going to talk about a very important question. How can we focus better when we learn English? How can we concentrate in a world full of noise and distraction? Don't worry, we will go slowly, step by step. I will use simple English, and when I use a new word or longer word, I will explain it immediately. So, relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Why is concentration so difficult today? Let's think about a normal day. You wake up in the morning, and before you even leave your bed, you open your phone. You see messages, short videos, comments, news, and notifications. Your brain starts running before your day even starts. Later, when you decide to study English, the same problem appears. Your phone is near you. Your mind says, "Let me just check one thing." That one thing becomes many things. 5 minutes become 20 minutes, and suddenly your study time is gone. This does not mean you are lazy. This does not mean you are weak. This happens because the human brain loves easy pleasure and quick rewards. A reward means something that feels good immediately. A new video is a reward. A new message is a reward. Your brain says, "This feels good. Do it again." But learning English is different. Learning is quiet. Learning is slow. The reward comes later. So your brain has a choice. Feel good now or feel good later. Most of the time, the brain chooses now. This is normal. You are not broken. So instead of fighting your brain, today we will learn how to work with it. What does concentration really mean? Many people think concentration means suffering. Sitting for hours, forcing yourself, feeling tired and angry. But that is not true. Concentration simply means your mind is with one thing. You are present. You are not jumping from one thought to another. Think about when you watch a movie you really love. You forget time. You forget your phone. You forget everything else. You are not forcing yourself. You are just inside the experience. That is concentration too. Two types of concentration. Now, I want to introduce two simple ideas. First, deliberate concentration. Second, organic concentration. Don't worry, I will explain both. Deliberate concentration. Deliberate means on purpose. Deliberate concentration is when you decide in advance. For example, for the next 10 minutes, I will only listen to English. From 8 to 8:15, I will read and do nothing else. This type of concentration is like exercise for your brain. You don't always feel excited, but you do it because it helps you grow. Deliberate concentration works best when the task is small and clear. Instead of saying, "I will study English today," say, "I will learn 5 new sentences." "I will listen to one short story." I will repeat one audio for 5 minutes. Clear tasks make your brain calm. One more important rule: no multitasking. Multitasking means doing many things at the same time: listening, texting, scrolling, replying. The brain cannot learn well like this. So remember, one time block, one activity, one goal. Even short focus is powerful. A small focus ritual. A ritual is a small action you repeat every time. For example, put your phone away. Sit in the same place. Take 2 deep breaths. Say quietly, "This is my English time." When you repeat this daily, your brain understands. Now it's time to focus. Organic concentration. Organic means natural. Organic concentration happens when focus grows by itself. You don't force it. Think about reading a story you enjoy, or watching an English video about something you love. Time passes fast. You forget everything else. That is organic concentration. It needs the right conditions. The topic is interesting. The level is not too hard. You are not very tired. The place is calm. If something is too difficult, your brain feels stress. If something is too easy, your brain feels bored. The best level is a little challenging, but still comfortable. Emotions also help. Curiosity, surprise, interest. That's why stories are very powerful for learning English. The secret. The best learning happens when you use both types. Deliberate concentration gives you time, structure, discipline. Organic concentration gives you interest, enjoyment, flow. First, you decide to study. Then you choose content that pulls you in naturally. At first, you say, "I will study now." Later, you say, "I want to continue." That is the magic. What if your mind runs away? This will happen. It happens to everyone. When you notice it, do 3 simple things. First, notice it. My mind left. Second, don't judge. This is normal. Third, come back. Gently return to English. Every time you come back, you are training your focus. That is not failure. That is success. A deeper idea. When you practice concentration, you change how you see yourself. Many people say, "I can't focus. I always quit." But even 5 minutes of real focus gives your brain new proof. You can start saying, "I get distracted sometimes, but I can focus when I choose." This changes your identity. And language learning is not only about words, it's also about identity. When English becomes part of who you are, learning feels natural. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be strong every day. Just ask yourself, can I give myself a few minutes of deliberate focus? Can I choose something interesting
to grow organic focus? If yes, even a few times a week, your English will grow. You are not just learning English, you're learning how to be present, how to give your attention to what matters. Thank you for staying with me today. This is Suleman, and you're listening to Mr. Khan English Channel. You did something good for your mind today. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, be kind to yourself and keep moving forward, step by step.